Understanding the benefits of castor oil. Castor oil is indeed a versatile vegetable oil with a long history of use. Here are some key points about castor oil. Castor oil is derived from the seeds of the castor bean plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis. The plant is native to tropical regions but is now grown in various parts of the world. The seeds contain ricin, a toxic substance that is deactivated during the oil extraction process. In Ayurvedic medicine, castor oil is believed to have a heating and balancing effect on the body. It is traditionally used for a variety of purposes. FDA, U.S. Food and Drug Administration. The U.S. FDA recognizes castor oil as generally regarded as safe, GRAS, for use as a food additive and for certain medicinal purposes, such as a laxative. It is included in the FDA's list of approved over-the-counter (OTC) laxative ingredients. World Health Organization (WHO). The WHO includes castor oil on its list of essential medicines, recognizing its use as a laxative. We are going to look at many health benefits of castor oil. 1. Intensive face cleanser. This product serves as an effective deep facial cleanser, as confirmed by users over the years. It has demonstrated efficacy in addressing acne and providing a soothing effect for the skin. One of the top benefits of castor oil is its moisturizing properties. It deeply hydrates the skin and can help reduce dryness, itching, and flaking. Castor oil is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can help soothe inflamed skin and reduce redness and irritation. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications for our latest health and nutrition tips. Thank you. 2. Enhances immune function. It is widely acknowledged and recognized for its potent immune-boosting properties that support the body's lymphatic system. The lymphatic system, composed of small tubular structures throughout the body, plays a vital role in eliminating excess fluids and waste products from our cells. Castor oil has demonstrated positive effects on lymphatic drainage, blood circulation, thymus gland health, and other aspects of the immune system. 3. Natural laxative to relieve constipation. Castor oil can be used as a natural laxative to relieve constipation. It stimulates the bowels and helps promote regularity. Consumed orally in small amount. Castor oil contains a high percentage of ricinoleic acid, which is a unique fatty acid. When ingested, ricinoleic acid is released in the small intestine through the action of lipases, enzymes that break down fats. Ricinoleic acid acts as an irritant in the intestines, particularly in the small intestine. This irritation stimulates the smooth muscle contractions of the intestines, promoting bowel movements. 4. Massage oil. Castor oil as a massage oil can help relax sore muscles and joints. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can provide relief from pain and inflammation. You can use pure castor oil for massage or blend it with other carrier oils like almond oil, coconut oil, or olive oil. This helps improve the texture and spreadability of the oil. 5. Reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Castor oil is often used in skincare for its moisturizing properties, and some people believe it may help reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Castor oil is a rich emollient, and applying it to the skin can help moisturize and hydrate. Well-hydrated skin tends to look plumper and may temporarily reduce the appearance of fine lines. Castor oil contains some antioxidants, which can help neutralize free radicals. Free radicals contribute to skin aging, and antioxidants may help protect the skin from oxidative stress. 6. Reduces dandruff. This is a common scalp condition that by dryness, fungal infection or excessive oil production. Castor oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help reduce dandruff and prevent reoccurrences. It also helps to moisturize the scalp, reducing dryness and flakiness. 7. Reduces insomnia. Castor oil have a calming effect on the body and can be used to reduce insomnia. It can be applied topically to the temple of the forehead. It can be added to bath before bedtime to promote relaxation and sleep. 8. Treat dark circle and puffiness under the eyes. It is an effective treatment for dark circle and puffiness under the eyes. Its anti-inflammatory properties helps to reduce swelling and inflammation, while its moisturizing properties help to hydrate the delicate skin under the eyes. 9. There have been anecdotal evidence of some personal accounts of individuals claiming that castor oil helps reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Scientific evidence supporting its efficacy for this purpose is limited. Stretch marks, also known as striae, occur when the skin is stretched rapidly due to factors such as pregnancy, rapid weight gain or loss, and puberty. They can appear on various parts of the body, such as the abdomen, thighs, hips, and breasts. It is also worth noting that castor oil is not recommended for pregnant women, because it causes the uterus to contract. It is also not recommended for children under 12 years old. Swelling. Swelling of the face, lips, tongue, or throat can be a sign of an allergic reaction. I personally conducted brief interviews with 3 elderly citizens, ranging in age from 85 to 90, in different cities in England: Oxford, Manchester, and London. One of them happened to be a retired dermatologist. All 3 individuals unanimously affirmed the effectiveness of castor oil. Always consult with a healthcare provider before trying new remedies, especially if you have any health concerns or conditions. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications for our latest health and nutrition tips. Thank you.